So guys, we got these side table lights in the master bedroom, and no different than chandeliers, no different than all our vanity lights, no different than lights like this. We talked about in one of the earlier spots about how the electrician whips a wire to make sure that we can pinpoint them. So what I do is I come back right before the electrician starts to set his fixtures, and I specifically take blue tape and measure exactly where I want those lights to be centered. We did this with the homeowner. You can see a little blue tape on the ground. We measured out their bed, where their nightstands were going, so that way we could exactly pinpoint where these lights are going. In terms of the vanities, we actually get the mirror sizes that we have, position the mirror on the wall, and then we pinpoint where we want the vanity lights. In terms of chandeliers, let's say you have one over a dining room table, then we'll actually get that table and mark it out with blue tape so we can exactly pinpoint, so there's no problem being off center or not where the customer wants it.